today I'm going to be tackling lots of deep cleaning tasks, and these are all things that I find essential that you need to do ready for Christmas. I'm in the festive spirit and I'm keeping my festive pyjamas on because also, let's be honest, who does cleaning in clothes? Not me. I've always liked to be in my pyjamas, so I thought, let's just keep it real today and stay in the pyjamas. Like I say, tackling these things then makes my life much easier on Christmas Day. I always have everyone around here on Christmas Day. So lots of these things that I'm cleaning today are working overdrive over the festive period. So to have them clean from the get-go just makes my life so much easier. So the first thing I'm going to be cleaning today is my oven. Obviously, oven, you're using that so much over Christmas. So to start off with that clean is amazing. So let's get tackling that.
Upon a star, would it be too much to ask? A place forever in your arms, and for this moment to last, because I'm falling just like the snowflakes tumbling down round and round.
You also want to make sure all your roasting trays and everything like that is clean, so I'm also going to tackle those now as well. I'm now just going to wipe down the front of the oven with my Flora disinfectant wipes. The second cleaning task I'm doing is to clean out my dishwasher. I'm going to make sure the whole dishwasher is clean and also clean out the filters, get all the food that's stuck everywhere out. There's always so much washing up to do over Christmas, so I just bang it all in the dishwasher to make my life easier, but I want to make sure it's all working properly and clean before we do that. As I've made a bit of a mess doing these tasks, I just gave the sink a wash down and then wiped down all the kitchen sides as well, so everything was left sparkling.
Oh, it's cold outside and I'm
Number 3 is actually to clean all chairs. So obviously you're going to have lots of guests around, so I want to make sure all my chairs and upholstery is clean. So today I'm going to be cleaning all my bar stools, my dining table, chairs, and also I'm going to give my sofas in the front room a little clean as well, only with some very liquid and hot water, not like a major upholstery job, but just literally get any dirt stains off and any muck and just have everything looking spotless, ready for Christmas.
I close my eyes and think of you. Although you're far away, we're under the same stars. Always.
As you can see, I've got beige sofas, which aren't hugely practical when you've got all the animals that I have, but I do find just a bit of hot water and fairy liquid really does get all the stains and everything out, and it's really easy to do, so they do end up sparkling afterwards.
All the joy it brings to be with you.
It's a hard life being an animal, isn't it? You know, just sitting there doing sweet F all, just chilling, never have a job to do in their lives.
Wishing you could hold me now. I've been trying, I'm in denial that I am gonna be alright, but under the stars, I close my eyes and think of you. Although you're far away, we're under the same stars. Always, always. Ooh. But under the stars, I close my eyes and think of you. Although you're far away, we're under the same stars. Always, always.
The sofas are all clean and drying now, but I just thought I'd give you a quick tour of my front room because I absolutely love it on Christmas time. Look at my cosy little fire and Christmas decks, and my tree I'm absolutely in love. I've added some red to it the last few days. I've got some little red candy cane bauble things, and I just think it really makes it pop. It looks amazing, so I'm well chuffed with it.
Under the stars, I'm where you are.
The 4th deep cleaning task that we're going to do today is clean out the fridge and the freezer. So obviously, again, there's always so much stuff you're going to cram in your fridge and freezers over Christmas, so to empty out all rubbish and gone off stuff is a good start. So we're going to do that, and then we're also going to wipe down all the shelves and everything like that in the fridge and the freezer. I'm not going to lie, I did actually do a huge fridge clean the other day, so I'm not going to be doing everything, taking everything out. I'm literally just going to be giving some shelves a wipe down, the ones that need it, the ones that I missed the other day. And now I'm going to get my mop out, and I'm going to actually mop my kitchen cupboards, because do you ever just look at them for too long and think, oh, they need a bit of a mop or a wipe or a clean? Anyway, today is the day that we need to do that, because there is bits of stuff all down them Not that you can really see, but if you're up close, which I am because I'm OCD, I can see it. So I want it clean, especially for Christmas when I'm having guests around. So I'm going to clean all the kitchen cupboards, and then I'm also going to clean the walls with my mop as well. Again, bit splatter up the walls, and I can just look at them now and I think they look a bit grubby, so I'm going to give them a mop as well.
Wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine, but I've been waiting for the season that's mine. So let it come, yeah, let it come. Snowflakes fall, I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls, I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring.
Whilst I had the mop out, I thought I'd do all the front door and everything, because obviously people will see this when they're coming in and out of the house, so I thought let's just get it all clean now, and it's a really good task to have complete.
Sing a carol and we'll bring it.
It's been a while, tell me how's life? Time really fast, can't believe it's been like 6 months already. How's your family now? It's all coming back, the times that we had, love like no other, care for each other, the memories come back, this time of year just like that. The snow's falling down, and just for a while, it's like you were mine again. Darling, I want you to hold me.
As you can probably tell, I quite like my mop, but one thing that really gets on my nerves is when this bloody head keeps coming off all the time.
I only wish this Christmas is that you come back again. Come back and hold me. We don't need words, pull me closer. I only wish this Christmas is that you would love me again. Darling, just hold me. My only wish.
This is the thing, once you've got your mop out, you can then clean so much stuff. So then I even noticed there was dirt and that up the doors and around the edges, so I gave that a clean as well.
Mixes when
thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it's given you some motivation to go and clean all these bits ready for Christmas in your home. Even if you're not hosting Christmas, it's nice just to tackle these tasks anyway. But equally, if you are, then it makes your life so much easier over the Christmas period, especially when you've got guests around and you don't really want to be cleaning these things. To have it all ready and spick and span is perfect. As always, please do subscribe to my channel as it really helps me out. I've got so much Christmas content coming, so do subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!